Hi, welcome. My name is Ramon. I'm the owner and developer of R2 Indicators, and in this video I will teach you how to install our files. So, you received this zip file, this is a pack of files, and now we need to copy this zip file inside the MT4 folder. So, we will open MT4, our MT4 broker. You may have another broker, but you just need to be MetaTrader 4. Now, we go to File, Open Data Folder. Now we have access to main folder of the MT4. So now we close the MT4. We copy this zip file inside the main file of MT4. So I just right click, copy, right click inside the folder and paste. Now we need to extract the files inside the MT4 folders. So we just right click in the zip file, go to extract all. Now we need to pay attention because we need to erase the name of the zip file because we need to have the same address as the main folder. Okay? Need to be the same address as the main folder. Now we just extract. If it asks to replace any file, we just press yes to replace. Okay. Now, should be installed correct. To check, we just open the templates folder and must be the templates here as I'm showing. Okay, so we did it correct. So now what we're gonna do is restart our MT4. We go now to Tools, Options, and we go to Expert tab, Expert Advisor tab, and we check those boxes: Allow Automate Trading, Allow DLL Imports, and Allow Web Requests. Must be like this, okay? Now we go to Navigator, and we open a chart, any chart, okay? I just open a chart. And now we will open R2 My Seed to get your computer ID. So I double click, OK, and it will give a message with your PC ID, with your seed. So we just select, copy, and send me. Then I will add your ID to our server. After that, you just need to load the template. You just click in the chart with the right click, go to templates, and select one of our templates, okay? I will select, for example, this template here. I just press refresh to load it faster. Now, what you're gonna do is check if the panel is green. That means that the strategy is working fine in this period, so you can trade this strategy. So, must be green. If it is red, this means that the strategy is not good at the time on this chart, okay? So, we will have many strategies here. You just load and check what the strategy gives the signals which is better for your management, okay? So if you have any question about the management, about the strategy, what you think, or how to configure the strategy, you just send a message on Telegram, okay? So now we have many strategies here. So you just select, check the panel if the strategy is okay. Like this, is green, so the next signal we can operate. So any question, just let me know. Contact me on Telegram on R2Traders. See you next time. Bye bye.